Good morning, friends. Our today's topic is believe in yourself when no one else do. Passion, belief, and courage leads towards success. You would have seen there are so many people who are doing dancing well, working as shopkeepers, who are singing well, working as office staffs, who all are having, who all are bodybuilders working as these security guards like that. So most of the people sacrificed their passion for their profession. They would have sacrificed because of for feeding their family, for paying EMIs, for paying credit card bills, for their parents' treatment, etc. But we are calling it as fate. But is it really fate? Let me tell you a small story. There was a big restaurant owner. He is having a chain of restaurants. What he is doing that he is visiting across the globe and different countries and tasting the foods and learning all those the recipes and all. Once he visited China and he tasted a food. So he liked the food very much and he called the chef and asked about the food. The chef said the name of the food is frog legs. Then he asked about how it's cooking and all. Then the chef said you have to put 100 frogs in a big vessel and add the recipes. Then he said all the recipes and all. Then this restaurant owner came back to India and he started to do this cooking. Then he put all these frogs into boiled water. Suddenly all these 100 frogs jumped out. He called the chef and asked, I have done the same thing, but the frogs jumped out. He said, you don't want to put all the frogs in boiled water, you put them in normal water and set fire, the bottom of the vessel you set on the fire. Then slowly the water become warm. This boiling will happen and we can cook these frogs. Then inside the vessel what happens that he put all the frogs in the whole 100 frogs in the vessel and the frogs are enjoying in the normal water. So suddenly this fire, due to this fire, this water is heating. And then slowly their body frogs feel heat, but checking others, they are enjoying, they are swimming. So thinks that nothing is happening, nothing is there. And when the water become boil and these bubbles are coming, they are feeling the pain and discomfort. Then suddenly these frogs tried to jump out, but it's not possible because their body is weak now. Almost half of their body boiled. This is what happening most of us. So when the right time we are not doing anything, we are postponing this and we'll do later. And when our the weight is there on our shoulder, like burdens, family, children, parents, EMIs, bills, everything will be there. Then what happens that we cannot quit our job, we cannot move for our passion. Then slowly we have to bury our dreams and passions inside us only. This is what happening. But what we have to do is that we have to find out the time to follow our passion. See, if you do your passion as your profession, you don't want to work. It's a say. So suppose a dancer who is having good passion in dancing, he is working as a shopkeeper. So he has to find out time for dancing. He has to find out. He has to watch dancing steps in the songs and all, and he can make a group of same interest people, WhatsApp group, and discuss with them. And evening they can join a dance school, and they can share the money for learning all those dancing steps from the choreographer. And Sundays and holidays they can conduct small dance programs, etc. Slowly they can follow their passion. But we have to find out the time. We have to remove the reduce the excuses. We have to say goodbye to excuses, and we need to follow our passion. See, if we ask someone what is your dream, most of the people are telling that a big house or a big car, like that. So a big house is a target only. How we can achieve that big house? So for that, let me tell you an example. Someone want to reduce his body weight 10 kg. What he is thinking, that all his friends are going to gym, and he went to gym. In the gym, he is not interested to take dumbbells, push up, all those things. So another thing what he can do, that he is very much interested in badminton. So he can go to badminton, and every day morning 1 hour or 2 hour he can play this badminton. Slowly, even without putting much more stuff, and enjoying the game, he can reduce the body weight. So same way, when we are following or when we are doing our passion as our profession, we can achieve all the targets, as we already said, home and car, whatever it is. By enjoying our job, enjoying our profession, we can acquire all these things. So for that, we have to fight for our passion. We have to follow our passion. So this is today's topic. Follow your passion. All the best. See you next time with another topic.